So wait, did a cop actually put his lights on?
Yes, dude, you didn't see that?
It just sputter. It's probably something with the motor on the bike. Dude, Jackson's bumping, bro, per usual. You can hear it. Sebastian's trying to keep up back there, I think. Yeah, I see him back there. He's coming. He turned his lights off. Look at that. What is he doing? Is he trolling? Hell yeah, he's just playing around, bro. Yeah, Sebastian's back there. He's coming. Dude. He's gotta be on the limiter right now, bro. We're going 90. It's probably on the limiter. Making good time, bro. We're getting here nice and quick. Going like 100 miles an hour the whole way.
I was literally ready to say we're going like 105.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's taking the other way. There's two ways to get there, but this one's not the one that I usually go to.
Yeah. This is like a long way.
Oh, CBR's behind us.
That's right. I thought I saw him behind us.
made it, bro. We are at the Topgolf, bro. Hell yeah. Well, we made it, bro. Here we go. Let's go inside and hit some fucking balls, bro. Pause. All right.
Drunk as fuck.
Dude, yeah. Oh my God,
what the
blinding,
fuck?
dude. Oh my God, that's
Dude,
so
what the
bright.
fuck, bro?
Holy shit, dude. Never hit a dinger, bro.
I'll try, dude. I don't think it's gonna go far, man.
Over the wall.
Dude, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again.
You're trash.
Come on, you got it, bro, you got it. Oh my God, you stink, dude.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, guys?
What's going on, guys?
What the fuck is up, YouTube? What the fuck is going on, YouTube? What the hell, dude? What are you doing, bro? Sebastian took the CBR 300 to Topgolf with us, and you might have heard me talk about it, but basically in order to go about 90 miles an hour on a CBR 300, you have to basically have the rev limiter all the way out, bro. So when we first arrived to Topgolf, it was making like weird noises. It didn't sound right, but we kind of brushed it off, and he would continue to ride it back after we left Topgolf, but things would end up taking a turn for the worse, and I'll just let you guys see it. Got a little squirrely right there.
Just lost a little traction.
Just a tad bit. It's chilly. It's chilly. I think it just sounds like it's dying, bro. What's up?
Huh? Chili? A little bit. Are you good?
A little nippy, bro.
Damn,
It says it's 55 right now.
Bro.
It is fucking cold, bro.
That's what I'm using. Push it. Is it
All right.
running good though? Yeah, so far. I'm trying to keep it below 8,000 RPM. So. Dude, I can smell it. I know. Is that the clutch? I don't think so. I think it's engine related. Unfortunately. We'll see though. I don't know.
God, what the fuck? That was a hit like a jump right there, bro. That was crazy. Jackson's right on my ass, bro. He keep up in that thing, bro, I'll tell you what. Dude, any Beamer can go on the highway, bro. Any Beamer. Beamers are meant for the highway. Bro, look. Past me, bro. I should have kept going. Okay, so if you were listening closely, my buddy Austin in the passenger seat basically got a call from my buddy Sebastian, who was on the CBR 300. Like I said earlier, you probably shouldn't rev it out to 8,000 RPMs for 20 minutes, and on the way back, it started to have engine problems. Basically, it was stalling out, it didn't want to run, it didn't even sound good, and at this point, we basically had to go pick him up and figure out what to do with the bike.
We're gonna have to go get him. The bike is just...
We have to go pick him up?
Yeah, I guess it's just stalling.
Where's he at?
He said he's past Zilker. He's like out by Bee Caves.
Well, we got a rescue mission, I guess. Yeah. All right. Damn, bro, that sucks, dude. I guess pushing that bike to the limit for that long is just not good for it. right, well, we made it back in one piece at least. There is that. Bro, rescue mission, here's the thing, bro. We can't get the bike into this car.
You can try.
That's not happening,
You
dude.
can try.
It's not happening.
Seats
I know someone with a truck.
So wait, did a cop actually put his lights on?
Yes, dude, you didn't see that?
Yeah,
He was on the other side of the highway. I saw him because I was behind you. And when we keep going, I just see you behind me, fucking lights flick on. But dude, he's on the other side of the highway.
Yeah, you can't really do anything.
And dude, we're going 130 miles an hour the other way, so yeah, I mean, there's literally nothing you can do.
Oh my god, bro.
We got 15 miles and he's 10 minutes away. You think we can make it?
On the tank?
Yeah.
Bro, go to the gas station, fucker. What are you
I don't want
doing?
to go to 7-Eleven. It's terrible gas.
You give a fuck about terrible gas? Your shit's cracked, dude. What's this fucking guy mean?
Okay, oil leak. Okay, oil leak.
Oh, BMW slander over here, dude.
No AC.
Your transmission thumps, bro. I don't want to fucking.
doesn't.
Yes, it does, dude. Every
Oh
fucking
my
time.
God.
Is it dumping? Is it
20 minutes later.
I see him out there, dude.
Hey, do you think we're gonna need to get the bike picked up? Okay, I'm gonna call my buddy then.
You can see it in the video, bro. Whenever I was like right next to it and you pull up in traffic, you could hear it, dude. It did not sound good. Well, guys, on the way to Topgolf, this thing started making a weird noise when we pulled up in the parking lot at Topgolf. And we didn't really know what it was, but on the way back, it just started to sputter and it just wasn't acting right. It's probably something with the motor on the bike, but it's only at 300 and he had it pegged to like 8K, 9K RPM, like all the way there. So that's probably the reason why it's just not dealing well with it. It's just not doing well.
Hey, there's this.
All right, boys, we're waiting for Jaime to pick us up in his truck. While this motherfucker is smoking an illicit substance. Come back here, bro. Come back here. He's running with the camera. Guys, we're tweaking out in a parking lot right now, and they're smoking their meth pipe, wherever it's at. But yeah, we're gonna have to manhandle this thing onto Jaime's truck, dude. But he'll be here soon, bro. He'll be here soon. What are you doing, bro?
Clapping, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Rest in peace, bro. No 300, no 600.
Stop chiefing your fucking Toki reefer here.
Dude, the bike is secure, huh, Jackson?
Getting lucky right now, man.
Yep.
Not to get lucky. You know that song? Right,
All right, buddy. Dude, he's leaving in the truck, bro. Mission accomplished, bro. Mission accomplished. Holy. Hey, man, it could be worse. At least we got the bike and it's going back, so. The bike is back home, bro. Hell yeah. Oh, that sounds so bad, bro. I don't know what that is, but it does not sound good, bro. That sounds weird, bro. Do the 5 slow in the driveway. You just died again?
Yeah, that just died on me right there.
That's crazy how there's a 600, a 500, and a fucking 300 all on the same bike.
Yeah, bro, and they're all the same. It's all CBR. CBR 500,
CBR 600, CBR 500.
CBR 300, CBR 600, bro.
Hey, what's the bike name?
This is the only bike left that's technically in full operational spec. Well, hey, bro, made it back in one piece. Looks good. Still looks good.
Doesn't sound good, but
Yeah.
looks good.
Damn, dude.
I'd rather look good.